how to use Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps as a complete beginner on how you can use Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're just a person who is starting out on Cash App, I'll give you a couple of tips that can basically help you get started. Now, I'm going to skip the process of creating an account and so on because I'm sure you can do that already. Log into your account, just sign up with your email and a phone number. That's all you need. You don't need any other thing. Later on, if you want to verify your Cash App account, you might need your social security number. Now, first of all, we're going to open up Cash App. Now, when you first open Cash App, this is the interface you're going to see. And then here you can see your home button. You can see the cash card button, you can see dollar button, you can see the search button, you can see the activity tab. We're going to get started with the first button over here, which is the home tab, where you'll be able to see your cash balance. If you want to add cash to your Cash App account, you can tap on add cash, link your payment method and so on. If you want to withdraw cash, you can tap on cash out. If your payment method is linked, you can withdraw to that account. If you scroll down, you have savings option. If you want to save and fixed deposit your Cash App funds. If you want to tax your file, you can do that. If you want to buy and sell Bitcoin, you can actually do that on Cash App, which means you can trade with Bitcoin, or you can also invest in stocks if you want, because you can see different types of stocks that are available for Apple, Tesla, Coca-Cola, Nike, Disney Plus and so on. You'll be able to find all the stocks. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, you can buy and sell stocks. That's the extra feature you get on Cash App. If you scroll down, you have recurring deposits. Now, depending upon some of the features, this process could be a little bit different, because sometimes you might also have the option to actually borrow money, deposit paper money and so on. Now, we've basically done the first part of this. We're going to move on to the second, which is a cash card. Now, what is a cash card? Now, cash card is a card that is actually provided by Cash App themselves, that you can use at your ATM, or you can use as a virtual card whenever you want to purchase some type of products online or so on. Now, cash card is absolutely free because you don't have to pay anything. In order to order your cash card, you can type on get free cash card. Just select your details such as what kind of cash card you want, and then select your mailing address, and the cash card will be actually mailed to you. If you come to the dollar tab, this is the section where you can send and request money. So if you want to send money, you can just enter the amount you want to send, tap on the pay button to select a specific cash account, or you can just scan the QR code using this QR scanner at the very top of the person that you want to send the money to. And the search button over here basically represents all of the cash card features such as Boost, grocery stores, Starbucks, or different type of discounts that you might have on Cash App today. If we come to the activity tab, you'll be able to see all your recent transactions. Now, aside from using the Cash App, we're going to get started and then begin launching our own account settings. So if you tap on the profile icon from the top right, you'll be able to see your cash tag. Your cash tag is what people use to send money to you. You can add a profile photo to your Cash App account, but that's absolutely optional. You don't really need to do that. If you want to invite people, you can do that. Now, you're saying invite customers because my Cash App account is a business account. If you want to switch to a business account though, you can tap on personal, scroll down, switch to business. If you have business, you can switch to personal as well. Now, if you scroll down, you have your business information, your favorites. You can link your bank accounts using a link bank or link a debit card and so on. You can invite your family to Cash App. You can see your current limits. In order to remove the limits, you have to verify your identity. And you can also see support for any type of issues that you might have with Cash App. You can directly contact the support themselves. Then scroll down, and then you also have the option called privacy and security, where you can turn on two-step authentication. You can change it or reset your cash pin. You can allow incoming requests, or you can also sync your contacts or create your password if you want to. Scroll down, you have notifications, and likewise you have documents as well. So I hope I covered as much basic as possible as to how you can get started with using the Cash App as a complete beginner. If this video was helpful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.